Welcome to Greystones on Sandfield Lane in Hartford. I'm really excited about showing you this fantastic property. It's 4 bedrooms, extended with an amazing interior. But first of all, let's take a look at the garden. I absolutely love that living dining kitchen and this incredible open plan outdoor entertaining area, which leads on further into this incredible walled garden, which is totally enclosed. That garden room was pretty epic, but the heart of Sandfield Lane is this bespoke dining kitchen, and the owners have finished it with this superb walnut work surface which complements the walnut flooring, and there's a fantastic range of appliances. This incredible family home has 4 good-sized bedrooms, including this master room with a vaulted ceiling, views over the garden, and a beautiful ensuite shower room. So that was a brief glimpse at Greystones on Sandfield Lane. I'm sure you'll agree it's a beautiful property. If you'd like more information or to book a viewing, please call me or my colleague Aidan. We'll be only too happy to help.